look what I got from my best friend. She knew that I'm going today for my photo shoot, so I did my hair, but she said I need something that will make me more glowing. I don't know what it is, but she told me before I open it to do a video and record, so it's a surprise. I love the packaging, so let's see. Oh my gosh, so that's what was inside, and it says something about shine jewelry. Wow, okay. I'm excited even more. Oh wow, that looks like a jewelry actually. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Sayabling. What's inside? Shine is yeah, that's what she told me, that I will be shining and glowing. Alright, let's open. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at this beauty. How beautiful is that? Wow. I am impressed and amazed at the same time. What a beautiful necklace. Okay friends, I closed it, I guess. Yeah, closed it. Okay, let me turn around it. Wow. I already see that it's very, very, very beautiful. I love it, love it, love it so much. My friend told me she bought it on TikTok and it's very trending now, and everyone absolutely loves what she sent me. So look at this packaging, look at this beauty. It's a perfect gift. It's a perfect gift. So I'm going to send this video to her, and then she will send me link and I will post it in my TikTok. Love you all.